Could you ask the Minister, what does compassionate grounds mean? Can I see my 80-year-old deaf, non-internet connected father in his home under compassionate grounds? He has no one but myself and my sister. That's from Jeanette in Dublin 7.
Yes. Unambiguously, yes.
I'm at home with my newborn baby while my husband is at work. I had a C-section, so I'm still not fully healthy. My mother has been calling in during the mornings to help me out, but now I'm worried that she won't be allowed. Compassionate grounds is vague. Please ask the Minister. So each one of these questions could be quite specific, but what would you say to that mother who desperately needs her own mother's help?
That is a very clear case of where it is absolutely fine. You see, Pat, when we're talking about the complexities of life, and the three examples you've given are three perfect examples, it's not really possible for government or doctors to come up with a list where we can check all of these things. Like, people are sensible. You know, we have to trust people, and so what we're saying is, look, we have to apply our own judgment here, right? So if it's a relative who needs your help, then of course go. And unambiguously, if it's someone who is completely isolated and you need to go in and help them, of course. If it's someone who is recovering from some healthcare issue or has some underlying condition, no question whatsoever, go and do that. Okay. Really what the message is all of the discretionary visits. And let's face it, and the Taoiseach referenced this as well, unfortunately, everyone is sick of this. And understandably sick of this, but unfortunately the virus couldn't care less. And so what we're saying is all of those discretionary visits where we say, Ara, sure, it couldn't do any harm, could it? I'm just going to invite my friends over on a Friday. Or, Ara, look, I haven't seen anyone in a while, so I'm just going to go in for a cup of tea. Or I'm going to go in for a glass of wine on a Friday. What we're saying right now is please do not do those ones.